What's up, guys? John Osumi, motion shooter photography, coming at you again here with my favorite camping partner, Vicky, and we are heading to Lake Casitas Campground Grebe, giving that a try for the first time, wintertime camping. I think being that this time of the year, half the lake is not open, because I was looking, there's actually campsites further around the lake, but they're not available for reservations right now. So we're gonna check it out. What do you think, Vicky?
Let's do it. I think like the shed is closed right now, right?
All right, here's Campground 28 in the Grebe campground. Just gonna check out the space here. It's interesting that we got 3 picnic tables, and I'm assuming these are all ours. Good proximity to the lake. You can tell there used to be a fire pit right there. But then this is the actual fire pit. 2 more picnic tables. And looks like this is kind of unique. We got all this shade. Let's go do a restroom check and see what the restrooms look like. That's always super important. So one thing about Campground G is we're kind of right next to a utility road and right next to the dumpsters, porta potties, and the moment of truth. So it's Friday. It's the first day of the weekend.
Doesn't look like the nests are in use yet.
Flush toilets, empty trash can, urinal. So definitely a B+ on cleanliness. And then we got the all gender bathroom. Relatively clean. You got maybe a slate floor or stamped concrete floor, urinal, but not bad. So Campground G is kind of shaped in a loop. And so we got G28, which is kind of nice because it's off in the corner, so we only have neighbors on one side. Good thing to note too is we got the potable water spigot right there, right across from our campground. So we're set up in Campground 28 in the Grebe campground. Pretty cool view. Sun's going down. I forgot the oil, so I had to go to the store and pay almost $9 for a little thing of olive oil, but lesson learned. Starting to cook dinner. We're gonna do some shrimp and rice. All right, fried rice is done. I am not sure how that's gonna turn out, but we'll find out when we eat it. Sun has already dropped below the mountain over there. Not quite sunset. All right, a little nighttime photography before settling into camp. All the lights are on, fire's going. Just starting to see the stars coming out. There's Orion straight out in front of us while I'm shooting some scenes across the lake. Right, a little chilly this morning, so we ended up making coffee outside and then bringing it back into the tent. It's funny, it's only 58 degrees, but it feels much colder than that. Sun's about to come up. Lovely sunrise this morning on Lake Casitas, rising in the east. Gonna try to capture some HDR sunrise. I like how the sky is all gradiently starting to turn. Put the camera on the tripod upside down, get a little more lower to the level of the horizon for a quite different look. Unbelievable morning out here, guys. We're so lucky to live here. All right, breakfast time on the Blackstone. Scrambled eggs, English muffins. Got the bacon and potatoes on the Blackstone already because it'll take the longest. But I'm hungry.
That's Casitas Springs, but I figured that's pretty cool.
Bam. So to go fishing today, we are just following this trail right up our campground, right past that cottontail bunny, and then just following that road in the overflow camping. And so we found a little picnic table on the shore over here and gonna give it a try.
Snip.
All right, and there's the hook.
You gotta put that guy on
bait.
some more, but
First cast for...
oh no, towards the creek. Oh, it went that way, didn't
Where'd it go? First cast was a little challenging. We ended up in the bushes over there. So I'm gonna go back to the car and get another hook sinker. And oh wait, hold on, there's hope.
Like that, right? Ta-da.
There it is. There it goes, it's straight ahead of you.
Oh.
There.
Not very far, but
That was the second cast, was a success. Right down the middle of the pipe. Okay, so it's lunchtime, and actually it's earlier than lunchtime, but I'm hungry, so I am making lunch. This is what we got today. Got the instant mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna boil that in water, throw in some jerky, eat it with a spoon. Beef jerky is broken up into little pieces. Got 2 cups of water in the pot. We're gonna boil that, and then dump all this together, and we're experimenting throwing some corn too. And into the koozie for 5 minutes. All right, well, it's not like what grandma makes, but it's edible. What do you think, Vicky?
I agree.
Another thing to note that's positive, we're on T-Mobile, and we seem to have 3 or 4 bars pretty consistently here at this campground. So that's a rarity at some campsites when you're in rural areas. And a big shout out to Savina's homemade tamales. We got the spicy pork ones, and she just drove by our campsite, was selling them. I can hear her horn in the distance, but yeah, good stuff. And that was like perfect timing. I was hungry. What do you think, Vicky?
They were yummy.
So one thing to keep in mind about campsite 28, I'm going to show you the post over here, is that I'd have to say the campsite is pretty spacious, but people kind of think that this is a walkway to the lake instead of going around that way. So it's not a big deal, but a lot of people walk through our camp, and I'm not going to be a jerk about it, but that might be one of the things to consider for this campsite.